I got $20 there. Who get $15,000? I got 15's a bid. I got 15, $15,000 bid. I have somebody get 15 now. I got 15 bid down 15. Are you listening here, folks? I'll hold on to that. 15,000 per bid. 7 to 20. I got $15,000 in the bid there. I got $20 bid down 20 bid down 15,000 bid down 7 to 20,000 bid this one here. We're 15,000 per bid. They go reserve. I will. I got $15,000 bid down 20,000 down. I got $20 bid down 20 to 20. 50. 5. I got $20,000 now. I got $20,000 bid now. 5 bid. What you say? 25. 22.5 is now bid. I'm messaging $25,000 now.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a 1999 Regal 55 Thunderbird convertible. Come take a look. Amazing lemon pearl color, roadster custom fabrication, all Thunderbird specs. It's got a 502 Chevy V8, 700 Ford trains, 9-inch Ford rear, 18-gallon aluminum gas tank, and a removable hard top. Bidding starts now.
Wow, lemon pearl. All right, here we go. Ain't that right? Ain't that color? If I have another, here we go. Let me get paid. I got $50,000. I got $50 there. I'm going to give $50, $40, here we go. Who can be $20,000 being cried open? I got $20,000. Everybody bid. I got 20 bid. Give me a second. I got 20 bid, 25. Did you go? 20 bid, 25. Let's try it. You see 25? I got 25. I got 22 is bid. Now we get 25,000 now. I got 22.5. I got everybody found them all day. Anybody else? I got 22.
Stokesy, can you believe it? A 502 Chevy fuel-injected V8 is hiding underneath this custom. Everywhere you look, come on up, take a close look. Digital dash, removable hardtop, vintage air, full leather interior. And I tell you what, it was all done by Regal Roadster, one of the best customizers there is. Quality up everywhere you look.
Quality throughout, folks. Buy with great confidence. We're at 25, but I'm asking 25 who it is. I can find it there. 25 in the DVD, 25 now. I can find 5. Anybody else? I got 22.5 now. Asking 25. Anybody else, fellas, don't delay. I got $22,000 bid. Drop away.
Robert,
25, 23. Think it's your 25. Got her here. Got her 29,000 now. Everybody bid. I got 26 here. 4,000 now. How much money for you? 28, 28 is all. I got $27,000 bid. I got 27 bid. You want to do it? Now, we're at 30,000 bid. 32, 32. I got 2. Anybody else? I got $30,000 bid. I got 32. Last call, everybody. Don't chance it. Don't miss this opportunity now. 30,000 current bid. Last call. 32. I heard you whistling. I got 32. Final chance. 32, 34. I got 30 there. Now, 34. I got 32,000 bid. Who's gonna bid 34? I get 33, fellas. That's fair. Everybody get 3. 33. I got 3 now. 4. 34. There. Everybody get 34. I get 34. What are you gonna do, sir? Did you say $34,000 now? I am gonna bid 33 bid, asking 34. I got 3 gonna get 4 going once. I got 4 going twice. I got 3 hammers up, sir. Last call. Now 5. I got 5 everybody get 35 bid. I got 5 now 6. Don't delay, sir. 35 everybody get 6. Everybody get quickly. I got 5 everybody get 6 once. I got 36 going twice. Take grimace. I got 5 everybody get this is the last chance. I got
Gotta go.
6 now 7. 37. I got 7 everybody get 37. Did you say $36,700 now? I got 7 bid now 7. Now they bid 38, sir. I go ahead and kick the sand, sir. We're at $37,000 bid. Going once, 38, going twice. Last call, hammers up. I got 7, 38, down 9. I got 8, 9, 39. I got everybody get 9. I can give it a good evening. I got 39 and all through. What you say? Everybody get a big bid, 39. I get 9, we did 40. That's the way there. 42. I got 42, 2. Everybody get 2. I got 2. Everybody get 42. What are you gonna do? 42. Hurry, sir. I got 42. Wipes his brow. He says, I'm getting headache for 42. I got 2. Everybody get 2. Going once. I get 2. Going twice. Last and final call at $42,000 bid now to you, sir. Yes or no? I got 2. Everybody get 2. Is that no? Yes, sir. Please answer. 42. Everybody get 9. No. So $40,000 bid back. Sold. $40,000 bid buys. Number, please. We're checking. 2325. 2325. Thank you. 2325. $40,000.
All right, we gotta go.